Hi there! I wanted to show you guys all the helpful features that come with signing up for an account on itsHome.com. It made the home buying journey so much easier for me, and it helped me keep track of all the important steps along the way. The sign-up process is a breeze. All you have to do is verify your email, and then you'll have access to the dashboard catered to whatever stage you are in the home buying process. As soon as you sign in, the homepage will show you which stage you are in your buying journey and how much progress you've made towards reaching the next step. On the left-hand side, you'll see the checklist button, which helps break down each step you need to do in order to buy a home. This part is super helpful because it covers everything on a step-by-step basis, so you can feel confident that you won't miss anything. In each stage, you'll find a list of tasks that you'll need to complete before you can move on. Each task comes with interactive buttons, so you'll know exactly what you need to do and where you need to go. You'll also have the option of saving all your information directly into your account, so you can have everything in one spot. After you check off each task, you'll start moving on to new stages in your journey, along with new items in your checklist for you to start crossing off. As you make progress, your dashboard will transform and become personalized to whichever stage you're at in your home buying journey. Everything is broken down for you step by step, so you can feel confident along the way. If you're ready to start exploring, check it out for yourself at itsHome.com.